It is time to open our daily boxes for the Stitch Supply Company. Hey, I'm Becky from Patchworkers Plus, my online quilt group, where I help you finish what you start, use what you have, and build friendships without even leaving your home. You are invited to join me there if you are interested. Check the link in the description. All right, we are going to open this every day, and you're going to see what's inside and what is included. Let's check it out. Day 5. Oh, I supposed to. Okay, a little carrier, possibly a scissor case, rotary cutter. I don't know. My gosh. I was wrong, and then wrong again. This is a notebook. Wait, just a minute. I got to figure out how to open it. Is there no flap? Oh, here it is. Oh, look at this, all log cabins. Love it. An elastic closure because yes, of course. And yes. Guys, oh, they're different sizes. So, okay, I'm going to see if they're sticky so you can stick them to things. Oh, they are. Okay. So they're like sticky notes. Of course, you can't think of the name. They're like sticky notes. So you've got 2 little notepads for the sticky notes and 3 tags. These are great for keeping track where you're at, like in the Patchwork Planner or in a pattern that you're doing. And then you've got just the tearaway notebook on the other side. This is great. This would be perfect to take at quote retreat or something like that. Ha ha ha. I'm a paper person. I love paper. This makes me happy.